Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install Drupal 8 on your Windows computer or your Mac for any device. So first you're going to need to go to your browser and you're going to need to download WAMP. So in your browser you'll type WAMP. After you type WAMP, then you go and WAMP the first one, which is this one, and then you go and press on start using web, and for a 32-bit computer you'll press on 32-bit, or for a 64-bit you'll press on 64-bit and PHP. So then for me I have a 32-bit, so I'll press on that. Before you download it, you press Microsoft, and you do the Microsoft for it. You press download sorry, and for 32-bit computer you download this one. For 64 you download this one. For me it's 32, so I'll download this one. Press next, and you're supposed to realize that it start downloading right here at the bottom. Because I already have it, so I'm not going to install it. You go back, and then you go again and download directly. After pressing download directly, you're supposed to realize that it start counting down from 4 to counting down your download. And to start downloading right here, because I already have this one also, I'm going to cancel it, but you should wait until it's finished downloading. Now you have your installation files. Then you're going to go on Drupal.org to download Drupal 8. As you realize now, you have this little section for Drupal 8 right in the corner over here. Right here. So press on Drupal 8 is in beta. After that, then you press on this picture right here, which will send you to the installation page for Drupal 8. Then you press on Drupal 8 beta 1, or you could go on Drupal 8 beta 2. But today I'll download Drupal 8 beta 1 and the zip file. So now as you wait for Drupal 8 to finish downloading, you can install your WAMP. So you go to your downloads folder, and you're supposed to see right here the Microsoft Visual Studio installation and the WAMP. For Microsoft, you'll install Microsoft first. You press run. Because I already have it, you see install right there, and you press install. Because I already have it, I'm not going to install it again. So now after it's finished installing Microsoft Visual Studio, then you'll install the WAMP server. You press run. Turn it to startup. Then you press yes. Next, press I accept the agreement. This is where the folder will be, which is WAMP right there. You're going to need to create a desktop icon. You're going to need to install it, so you press install WAMP. Because I already have it, I'll not press it, but you'll install it to install immediately. Yes. So now let's see the progress of the load. So you have to see it's finished downloading. Let's see. So now wait for it to configure. for to configure. Now you have seen that I have downloaded the Drupal 8 beta version 1. After you finish installing the WAMP and everything, then you're going to need to extract all your Drupal 8 beta 1 into your WAMP file folder. So you go and browse computer local list where you have saved the WAMP file. Go on WAMP. After you've done WAMP, go on WAMP, and you go on www. That's where you'll save all your Drupal files. So you press OK, extract, and it's supposed to start extracting. As that extracts, then you're going to go to double click your WAMP server. Yes, for run. And you're supposed to realize when it's run, you're supposed to realize that it comes up down here. So now you're going to need to left click, left click, and start all. So now you're going to right click and go on to PHP my admin. Wait on it to load. Then you should realize that the database is here. So you're going to create a new database. So right here, create database. So by creating database, you're going to need to type your database name. So I'm going to call mine test Drupal, have underscore instead of space. So that's my name, test Drupal, and then you press create. As you can see, the database test Drupal has been created, which is as shown. Why is it not here? So cool. So now you have created your database. So you can come out of that, then wait for your extraction to finish. So now when you have finished extracting your Drupal 8 beta file, you can rename it to whatever you want it to be. So I'll call mine Drupal, right? So now you have your basic files and settings which you have need to create your website. So now you're going to create an install Drupal 8 by typing in local host slash and your file name, and my file name is Drupal. You press enter and wait. Alright, seems like I've writing my wrong password name here. So Drupal. Oh, local, that's weird. erase. Alright. So you wait on it to load until your installation page. As you can see, that you set your language, save and continue. And then after that you select an installation profile, and you select standard and save and continue. You have realized that one feature of the new Drupal 8 is that you have a much better looking user interface for the installation. And so continuing, and you don't have to don't do any that much things. So let's continue back to what we were doing. So now you select MySQL and your database name. The database name is whatever you have saved for your database. So the database which you have created, and mine was test underscore Drupal. So you type it right there, test underscore Drupal. So now, because you don't have any username, or if you do, you can type in, and if you have a password, do it. But if you don't, you type root for WAMP for the username, and you don't type anything in the password section. But if you're using MAMP, then you'll type root for both of them, and you press save and continue, and the installation progress will start. Because this might take a while, I will skip the installation progress and go on to the configuration, so it doesn't take that long. So as you can see, it has started, but not because it's going to take a while to be installed. I'm going to just skip this and continue to the configuration. So yeah, so bye. End the video. So now I'm back with the configuration of your site. So now, firstly, you're going to need to write the name of your site name. So my site name will be Drupal, test Drupal, test underscore Drupal. It could be anything you want it to be. Then you will write your email address, which you are going to use to automatically be selected right there. And then you're going to create a maintenance for your account, your site, so you can enter your account, your site account. So basically you type your username. Mine's going to be Philip J. And your password. Any password, any username you want it to be, it could be. So now you select your country. Let's find Jamaica. Jamaica, and your time zone. Oops, the time zone. Sorry about that. Mine is America Bogota. Alright, and you can select check for updates or receive email, and you continue with all of that, then save and continue and wait for it to load. Clap. Crack it. Crack it. Crack it. This might take a while. So now you have realized that you have installed Drupal. So now I'm going to show you the rest of cool stuffs which you have got in Drupal 8. So now with Drupal 8, you have now this here in the task toolbar section. You have a management which shows you the specs you need to know, like for your dashboard and your things, your shortcuts section, and your account section where you can log out or edit your profile, everything. Another thing you can know about Drupal 8 is that you have this little cool tag here which you can use to either go up or down on your account. So basically that's most of it. So thank you for watching Drupal 8. Thank you.